In this video, we'll walk you through how to find compatible parts for your Lenovo server or system while using the Lenovo support website. Open your web browser and go to datacentersupport.lenovo.com. In the search support field, enter the product name or machine type. Matching products and suggestions will appear below. Click the product tile or the search icon to go to the product homepage. Click Parts in the left navigation menu. A list of compatible parts for the selected machine type will appear, including original shipped components, replacement options, and a schematic diagram. To narrow your search, click Select Commodity and choose one or more categories from the drop-down list. To export a complete list of compatible parts, click Download Parts List. To purchase available parts, click Purchase Parts to access the Lenovo ISG Parts Sales website, where you can search and buy from authorized regional distributors. Each part listing includes the device name, description, part number, and serviceability level. The title shows the part description and commodity type. Use the part number to verify and order the correct part. Click the View More arrow to expand details. The serviceable column indicates the difficulty level of replacing the part. If you're unsure which commodity type a part belongs to, go to the Schematic tab. Hover over a component in the system diagram to see its classification. Click on the highlighted text or select the category in the left menu to explore compatible parts. The As-Built page becomes available after entering a serial number. This page shows the list of parts originally installed in your product. Scroll to view the list or click the Download button to save it.